Situated at Prime River Valley Road, you are just minutes away from one of the best shopping belts in the world. Hi, I'm Lorrain from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Welcome to Aspen Heights. Today I have a well-renovated 4-bedroom unit to show you. Aspen Heights is well connected to 3 MRT stations. Fort Canning is a short 5 to 6 minutes stroll away. Living in the heart of the city means that you are close to anything you need. Dining places, swanky night spots for entertainment at Robertson Quay is just steps away from your residence. Entering the home, you'll be greeted with this quartz island top for your cooking, baking, and dining purpose. The kitchen is divided into 2 spaces for heavy cooking and storage usage. Over here at the yard, there is a helper's room and a toilet. Let's move on to the living room. And the bedrooms are spaced out with 2 bedrooms at each side of the apartment. All the rooms are of good size, all fitted with ceiling fans and with spacious wardrobe. Let's check it out. This project is a 999 years leasehold property, equipped with facilities to accommodate all your family's daily needs. A good-sized pool, BBQ pits, jogging track, gymnasium, tennis and squash courts are basic must-have facilities. On top of this, Aspen Heights even house a mini-mart to cater to all your daily necessities. Did I mention that this 1582 square foot home is less than 1,800 per square foot? Get in touch today for an exclusive viewing. I am Lorrain from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division.
Call our AAG real estate consultant to find out more.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.